So here's the problem. I've never been able to make good chocolate chip cookies. I always add the right ingredients, I do the right things, and then I try and spice it up a little bit, I'm gonna be honest. I try and spice it up. I'll put like rose chocolate, or I'll do like cardamom, or cardamom, it's cardamom, or like a cardamom rye, something crazy. And they just don't turn out good. So join me as I go back to my roots. A warm chocolate chip cookie in the glass of milk. Just such a good morning to Good morning. It's 32 degrees in this house and we're gonna make some cookies. Also, how do you guys hold your mugs? Because I think this looks weird. But it's how I hold every single mug. It's 2 fingers. I don't know, it feels right. Anywho, let's make some cookies, yeah? Alright, so step number 1, we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients to this nice little bowl right here. So we're gonna add 3 cups of that flour. Cup measuring tool right there, pretty standard. So we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, and do your best to make a mess if you can. Oh! It's just the way that it is. Teaspoon of that baking powder. The other thing that they do in those makeup things. Yeah, baking soda. So sweet. Alright, yeah, 1 teaspoon. This is a little guy, you know? 1 little teaspoon. Or take that B-pow, you know? That baking powder. And we're gonna add a half teaspoon. Be sure to get that right, you know? Half teaspoon of that B-pow, you know? As we call it in the industry, we call it B-pow. Then you're gonna take your salt. I prefer this salt. It supplies iodide and necessary nutrient. For those of you who are into health, and it provides necessary nutrient. What that nutrient is, it's iodide. I'm gonna need you guys to take 4 steps back. I'm in the midst of something currently. Excuse me, that's...
Wait, are you videoing right now?
Not really, yeah. Where's your mother? Hey, where's your mother? Okay, iodized salt, 1 teaspoon. 1 little tea of that. And salt in there. Hey guys, in case you're wondering, at what days do you have off, Emma?
Friday and Sunday.
Emma has Friday and Saturday off. And Sunday. She works Saturday.
Hi friends.
Yeah. So what are your days off?
Friday and Sunday.
Friday and Sunday are days off, not Saturday. Cool. We're gonna put this off to the side. We need that butter. This looks like it's turning into cheese. I don't think butter goes bad. Still tastes good. But we need 1 cup of butter in there. You know what this process is called? What is this step? What is this step called? Oh, creaming the butter. Brownie points to Marie. All right, butter in there. That's around 2 cups, you know, close enough. And then we're gonna put a cup of sugar and a cup of brown sugar. And for all you folks who like to learn things, what is in brown sugar that makes it brown? Molasses. Molasses makes brown sugar brown. 1 cup of the sugar. It's 1 cup of your mother. 1 more cup of brown sugar. And Emma, what makes brown sugar brown?
The melanin.
melanin.
The melanin. To what? It's time to what? Cream the butter. Oh! Okay, I didn't. It went up my sleeve. Oh! How did that happen again? We're gonna actually put this on a lower speed now. He's making a mess. You know, in life, sometimes you gotta make a mess.
Bless this mess.
Bless this mess. Huh? Oh, this butter is starting to look creamed. 2 eggs. 2 eggs.
Mine said she wasn't feeling good yesterday, so she didn't go to track, but now she's having some brain.
Egg 1.
Egg,
Egg
go.
2. All right, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 teaspoons, eh? Yeah. All right. We're gonna mix all this stuff together. Gonna get a good dough going, you know. Starting to get incorporated. We're gonna add our dries. Our dries are going back in, okay? Oop. And it's not bacon if you don't make a mess, you know? Oh!
Jacob.
That was more. That was.
Everywhere. How honestly did you manage that?
That was more. That was more of a mess than I anticipated, if I'm being honest.
Cleans up.
It cleans up, she said.
You can need some more flour, I think. Got cookies in the trash.
This may have been a little much for this mixer, huh? Oh, we're getting there now. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. 2 cups. 2 cups of chocolate chips. 1 and 1 more. Who doesn't like chocolate chips? And we'll call that 2. We'll call that 2. Now we're gonna mix it up together again. This mixer goes hard, huh? Then you gotta get real close once you take a bite. Are you kidding? Go, please take that much. Are you shaking? Hey, hey, hey! All right, we're gonna clean this all up and we'll be right back. Little flour on there, huh? All right. We are back. We're gonna put some parchment down, and we're gonna ball these bad boys up. Honestly, pretty clean cut for old Jake. How big these are supposed to be, but seems like a decent sized ball, you know. What do you guys want to see cooked? What do you want to see pickled? What do you want to see baked? What do you guys want to see? You know? Because I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never known what I'm doing. Which is, you know, that's the fun part in life. Maybe we'll do another row kind of in the middle, huh? Never got sick from it that I know of. Perfect. Really want to get up the sides, you know, fam, you know? All right, bingo. 350 for 8 to 10 minutes, but these ones are big, so we're gonna do 10. We're gonna do 10 minutes. So we'll see you back in like 10 minutes. We're calling the top ones done. Maybe? Yeah, we're gonna call these done. Little gooey guys. All right, we're pulling these ones.